Bani.
Yes, a very good afternoon. As you know, I'm launching my program. So for that, I needed to go through Louis Hayes' You Can Heal Your Life book. But thanks to your last session, I could recognize one of my triggers was that whenever I used to hold the book in my hand, I used to feel lazy and sleepy. Even if I've had a good sleep, but the moment I used to hold the book in my hand and I was like, "Ab mujhse nahi hoga," and I used to start counting ki is chapter mein kitne page hai, kitne reh gaye hain. So for that, I purposely use the anchor of tapping my fingers like this and feel active and confident at the same time. Now, sir, it has become such an habit of doing like this and feeling active that I have gone through the half of the book in 2 days. I've read half of the book, which I don't know, waiting for how long. It's been like 15, 20 days. I used to hold the book and feel lazy. And now my family members have started noticing. My children ask me, what do you keep on doing like this? Why are you doing like this? I said, you do this, you'll feel active.
Awesome. So you've anchored yourself that way.
Yes. So I purposely keep on doing like this, and all through the day, sir, I'm feeling active. I'm not taking my afternoon naps. I don't need them anymore. And I'm holding the book and I'm going through the book. And I'm super excited because this is a huge shift for me.
Awesome. Awesome. Extraordinary. Anything else?
That's it, sir. For this week, I practice this a lot.
Awesome. All of you unmute yourself. Give her a high five. You know what you have to say.
Hey, Bani.
Bani ji, you are an
Congratulations.